Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms, and I'm out here with the Challenger today, and I finally figured out what is wrong with it, that cylinder 3 misfire that I've been trying to figure out for quite a while now. Had to tear everything out here to get the valve covers off. There you can see under the valve covers. But yeah, the power steering reservoir had to come off. All of the air cleaner assembly had to come out, and then just had to get the coolant tank loose here. But the problem is the number 3 cylinder intake valve is not opening and closing. So when I crank it with the valve covers off and the car not running, you can see all the other valves move, but number 3 intake is not moving, basically not at all. And this is a 392 Hemi. And from some of what I've read about these Hemis, they had some problems with the lifters. So it looks like a lifter probably went bad, and when the lifters go bad, a lot of times it wipes the camshaft out too. So I've got a pretty big job here to do to replace the lifters and probably the cam. So the heads are going to have to come off, the intake's going to have to come off. It's going to be a lot of stuff here to get this done. I don't think I'm going to do it myself. I think I'm going to take this in because it's more work than I really want to do on it right now. But I'm just happy to know what's wrong with it, and I'll give you all an update once it's fixed. Thanks for watching.